Hi everyone. In this video we are going to discuss mail merge in the MS Word. So here for the mail merge we have the data as a table here. So then template of certificates are given here. So this is the practical sheet. So initially, so to start the mail merge, first we need to prepare the data table. So there are two ways we can do the mail merge. First I will start the new document. I'm going to open a blank document. So in this document, in the word type mailing step. So inside the mailing tab, start mail merge ribbons are available. So in the ribbon, there are two ways we can do the mail merge. One is type a new list. Another one is use an existing list. So type a new list means we can create the mail merge with the access file. Use an existing list mean already we can have any data source. Maybe it may be a Word table or maybe a Excel sheet or maybe a Access or XML or anything. Any type of data tables if we have, we can connect with the Word document. So first I am going to prepare the data table. So in the MS Word, so here I need a table with a 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So 4 columns, 5 rows table I need. So insert table 4 column 5 rows. Already I have inserted. So then thereafter I want to enter the given data here. Title, employee name, course followed, grade obtained, as like this way you want to enter the entire given data in your Word table. Okay, so once you prepare the data sheet in your Word document, initially you want to save this as a separate document. So here I am going to save file, save as, browse. Already in my desktop I have created the mail merge folder here. Inside the folder with the name of data table I am going to save this Word document. So now I have created that mail merge data sheet. Thereafter here they have given it some kind of templates of the certificate. So another document you want to prepare like this certificate template, file, new, blank document. National IT Center. This is to certify that so no need to type this title and the name. So once you merge the document, you will be get the title name here, then has successfully completed the diploma in dash with, after that you want to have the grades here. Then date of award 23/12/2006. So whatever the format they have given, so you want to apply that format, so those things you can easily do. So the bold and other format changes as here. Okay, so these things you can easily done, but the main thing I will explain. So here title and name, course, grade. So these things we want to get it from our data source. So here mailings, this is the important part. So here you want to select use an existing list, where you have that existing list in your local drive. So here in the desktop mail merge I have. Once I select that, now you can see all the fields are activated now. So now what I want to do, title and name I want to insert here. So here I want to insert a title and space. I can insert a employee name. So then after that he has completed which diploma, the course followed I want to insert here. Then with that grade of time. Now you can see the preview. So I have the 4 data, all the 4 datas one by one displaying here. So finally now I want to save this document, file, save as, browse, desktop, inside the mail merge. So this is the mail merged document. So only one document I have, that document merged with the existing data set. Okay. So here once you complete this work, you will be get these 2 type of document. One is data table, another one is mail merged document. You can confirm it will merged or not. Once you double click, the data alert will be come. So you want to continue this merged or no need to continue. If you want to continue, you can give yes, okay. So this is the 2 type of document you will be get. Finally, if you want to have the individual document, that's mean 3 data, so then 4 data, I want to have the 4 different certificates, mean just click on edit individual document. So all the document, now just give OK. Now you can see you will be get 4 individual documents. So the 4 individual certificate you will be have. So then the 4 you can save as again browse desktop mail merge. So I will give the name final document. So again, if you want to have this final document as a PDF format, save as PDF final document. Once you complete those works here, you will be have the data table, merge document, edit individual document. So that's mean that is here edit individual document. This is the data table. This is the merge document. So this is also individual document as a PDF format. So this is how the mail merge we can do the easy manner. So follow the instruction properly, so you will be easily complete this mail merge part. Thank you.